So maybe you've never been quite sure what the difference is between descriptive and inferential statistics. And, maybe you've been afraid to ask. Well, you don't have to fear. It doesn't have to be grim. I'm here to help. So descriptive is when you have the entire population and you can describe it. Let's take sports stats for an example. They're generally descriptive. You have the entire body of work by the athlete, not the entire body of the athlete. And of course, actually, you wouldn't have just parts of their bodies either. Man, I thought I said this doesn't have to be grim. You have the entire body of work by the athlete, in a given season or per their career or whatever, and you can directly calculate the stats. For example, you can calculate the three averages, the mean, median, and the mode. And they're kind of like the three fates, although I'm not sure which of them is a metaphor for death. Anyway, that's descriptive statistics. You can describe the entire data set. Now, inferential statistics is when we do those statistical tests, right? We're inferring something about the greater population from a sample. And actually, we're inferring knowledge about a statistic, right? So the mean is an example of a statistic. If we do statistical analysis and come up with a confidence interval for a mean, we've inferred that statistic, that mean of the entire population, falls somewhere in that interval. Now, for product development, we typically take a sample of our products, or a sample of the use of our products. It could be, say, like 150 uses, or it could be 30 scythes. And we say that is a representative sample of the entire population of those things. Now, you may say, hey, we tested every single one of our curly bladed staff of death prototypes, so therefore we've tested the entire population. Well, not really. You see, those prototypes are just models of what the final product will be, out in the marketplace. So you're not testing all of the products that will be in the customer's hands forever. Instead, you infer something from the sample you've got about the full population of the product and or the product uses. And that is the difference between descriptive and inferential statistics. See, that wasn't so scary.